So, when we last left this exciting episode, we're given this triangle, we're given the information that C is 40 degrees. We already know that B is 90, and that we're also given that side B is 10. And this is what drives me crazy about this. Angle B, capital B, little b, what am I talking about when I say B? I'll try and say angle B and side B. They want us to find all the rest of the stuff. And so we're gonna, first off, what is angle A? Well, we know that there's 180 degrees, 90 and 40 is 130. On a good day, this better be 50. So there's that. Oh, what do I want to do now? I could just say tangent of 40 degrees is C divided by A, but then I'll have a number is equal to two things that I don't know, so that won't help. How about this? I know that the cosine of 40 degrees is equal to A divided by 10, right? So this is A divided by 10. So that means that A is equal to 10 times cosine of 40 degrees. Similarly, I know that the sine of 40 degrees is equal to C divided by B, which is C divided by 10, which means that C is equal to 10 times sine of 40 degrees. What do I know what cosine of 40 degrees is offhand? I surely do not. So I'm just going to get my trusty calculator. Notice that it is in degrees. And so 40 cosine times 10, this says 7.66. So A is 7.66 and change. I'm just going to approximate it as 7.66. Actually, I'll do this right now, and then I'm going to go read the instructions and see if they told me how accurate to make it. Similarly, sine of 40 times 10, 40 sine times 10, is 6 point, so I'll do this, C is equal to 6.427876. Why did I put so many extras in here? Just let me go back to the book now and see what the directions were for accuracy. And of course, they didn't give any. What would you think is good accuracy? Okay, so make sure your instructor has given you information about how accurate. I would say usually to the hundredths place, unless somebody says specifically more hundredths place, which of course is right here. For this, I'm 7, the next place is 7, it's over 5, so this goes to 6.43. We'll just forget about that. This 0 is less than 5, so this just drops off. This is 7.66. Should we be a little careful? Should we make sure we didn't screw something up? Isn't it the case that this squared plus this squared should equal this squared, which is 100? Let's find out. 6.43 squared plus 7.66 squared. This says it's equal to 100.0205. Did I screw something up? Well, remember when I rounded this one up. And I rounded this one down, but not by much. Yeah, this is ballparking. This is right. So let us do another problem. I'm looking for some harder ones. These are boring me already. Okay, so I looked at all the homework problems for this section. They are just, they're just really boring. So I'm going to move on to the next section, which are like word problems, which would have been, the next day's set of lectures. But you'll have some extras on these because mostly people need to work this. This is from the easy part of the next section, and it has a picture of this, and you're going to see this isn't really any big whoop different. The numbers aren't quite as nice, I guess. So here is angle B, angle C, which they give as a right angle, and angle A. This side is 8, this is C, and this is A, and this is 16 degrees. Okay, and what are we supposed to do? Solve the right angle. So we're supposed to figure out everything. Once again, all this is knowing the definitions and plugging and using our calculator. So what do we got? I know that sine of 16 degrees is equal to 8 divided by c. That means that by basic algebra, that means that c is equal to 8 divided by sine of 16 degrees. Okay, cross multiplied, then divided. Hopefully everyone can see that. Let's see what that is. 8 divided by, I notice that I'm in degrees. You have no idea how many times people get screwed up because their calculator's in one mode and they're doing degrees or radians in the wrong places. This, according to this, c is equal to 29.0236422, blah, blah. This is plenty accurate for now. Now that I have that, okay, well, actually, I have everything I need right now. Basically, this is 90 plus 16, 90 plus 16 minus 180, or 180 minus that, so this is 74 degrees. What is a? Well, a should be this squared minus this squared square root, so I'll just do that this way. I could have, I'll check it using one of the other functions. So 29.02364 squared minus 8 squared, which is 64 square root. This says this is 27.8993. I'm just going to check this real briefly. The tangent of 16 degrees is going to equal 8 divided by 8,993. So let's see, I'm going to divide this, invert this. So according to this, I get 0.28675, blah, blah, blah. What is this the tangent of 16 degrees? Well, I put arctangent on what I had and it said 16.000000126 degrees. So yeah, this is the correct picture. And once again, at this point, this is about as easy as anything's ever going to be. It's probably too easy to ever be on a test. And so we're going to start moving to harder stuff, because quite frankly, I'm bored. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh. Okay, so this one doesn't have, this is slightly harder. Okay, slightly, isn't that much harder. So what do we got? We got this picture they're giving us, and this is 5, this is 12, this is 13. They also have the A, B, and C in there, but it doesn't matter. Well, maybe, so this is A, B, and C, and are we given that that's right? Yeah, we're given that's a right angle. They want us to figure out these angles, so this is the first. We're in a little pickle here, because we don't know, this is 90 degrees, this and this is 90 degrees, but we have no way to really figure out how to split it up. So how about we do this? So this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent, this is the opposite of angle A. Okay, so that's how I'm doing it. We know then that the sine of angle A is going to be 5 divided by 13. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, what is the arc sine of 5 divided by 13? And that exciting discovery will happen when you come back.